Okay, this is the Bennetts Boots official size chart. Majority of our boots fit within this size chart. Some alter a little bit because they're handmade. But let's look at how we actually read the chart. The first part that you want to look at is over here. These are all the sizes. So if you're in the USA, go to the USA and choose what size you normally are. Our fittings are pretty true to fitting, so you normally don't have a problem. So say you're in the USA and you're a size 7.5. What you need to do then is work out your calf measurements. As we saw before, you measure your calf and you measure your ankle, so you know how many inches they are. This particular one is in centimetres. There is also an inch chart. So you're 7.5 and your calf measurement is 47 centimetres, for example. So you go into, you're on your 7.5, you go along. 43 is obviously going to be too small. This one's 47, but that's actually the measurement of the boot, not of you. So you'd want to go up to the triple W. That means that you'll have 3 centimetres extra room to make sure that when you zip it up, they zip up with ease. Now, just to make sure, all the ankles are slightly wider, but if you do have a problem with your ankles, it's a really good idea to measure your ankles to make sure they fit in. One thing though is with the calf, 3 or 4 centimetres bigger than your actual calf is fine, but you can have up to 8 centimetres bigger on your ankle because it's a movement area in the boot and you want to be able to move your ankle. You don't want it so tight that it's restricting. That's really bad for your feet. So you'd order the 7.5 in the triple W. We go by European sizes because they're more accurate. So when you put your order in, you put in a 38 triple W, there's your measurements. Voila, you have the right size. Now, each boot, as I said, does come in slightly different cuts and so forth, so they can fit differently. On our description, we have whether it is loose fitting or tight fitting, broad in the foot or a little bit narrow in the foot. They're all C fittings, but sometimes due to the style and the cut and the heel, it can be a little tighter or a little looser depending on the style. So if you have any questions on this, please give us an email or a call.